Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to tell you that if fractions are given on both sides, that scare many students. But this question is actually very easy if you follow the right steps. So let's solve it slowly. No shortcuts, no confusion. So we are given 1 by 3 x equal 2 by 3 plus 1 by 10. So what we observe that RHS has two fractions with different denominators. That means we need LCM. So let's start by solving fractions. First we solve the right hand side part. So rewrite the left hand as same 1 by 3 x. So 3 and 10 are denominators. So LCM of 3 and 10, that is 30. So convert the fraction, each fraction 2 by 3 in terms of which denominator 30 is 20 by 30 and 1 by 10 in terms of denominator 30 is, we have to multiply with 3 numerator and denominator, it's 3 by 30. Now add 20 by 30 plus 3 by 30 is 23 by 30. So 1 by 3x is equals to 23 by 30. Now remove the fraction. Take only x to other side. So I'm going to multiply by 3 both sides. So this will cancel out. So x is equals to 23 times 3 by 30. So it will cancel out, gives 10. So x is equals to 23 by 10. So x is equals to 2.3. Now let's verify this. Substitute x is equals to 23 by 10 into LHS. So 1 by 3 multiply 23 by 10. This gives us 23 by 30 and RHS is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 10, which is equals to 23 by 30. So yes, LHS is equals to RHS. Answer is verified. So now there is an exam tip for you guys. In fraction question, first simplify one side using LCM, then remove fractions step by step. Don't multiply everything at once. So did you get 23 by 10 before watching? Comment yes or no and like for more easy algebra and subscribe for daily math practices.